Today I have an exciting video for you on how to pair paint, fabric, tiles, and other woods with oak to create a fabulous new kitchen. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens, your source for beautiful kitchens, and this channel is all about kitchen remodeling and kitchen design. On today's video, I will show you how to pair it with other finishes to create a beautiful kitchen. Before I get started with the video, I just want to make sure that you understand that we are not advocating for keeping old kitchen cabinets in an outdated kitchen. We are recommending, the new look of oak and how it enhances your home. So we're not talking about keeping your old arched doors, but if you happen to have a kitchen that it's a little newer and you just want to give it a refresh, you could use some of our examples, but this is all for you for creating a new kitchen with incorporating oak cabinets. When it comes to pairing paint colors with oak cabinets, there are a few key principles to keep in mind. First, consider the undertones of your wood. Oak typically has warm tones, so complementing it with colors that have warm undertones such as creamy whites, soft yellows, or earthy tones can create a harmonious and inviting look. For example, a soft, buttery yellow or a warm taupe can bring out the natural warmth of oak and create a cozy ambiance in your kitchen. Choosing the right fabric for your kitchen can add texture, color, and personality to the space. When considering fabric options to pair with oak, look for patterns and colors that complement the warmth and grain of the wood. You can opt for fabrics with earthy or warm tones like rich burgundy, deep greens, or warm beige. And don't be afraid to mix and match patterns and textures to add visual interest and depth. Tiles can be a fantastic way to introduce pops of color and visual interest to your kitchen. When selecting tiles to pair with oak, try to choose colors that complement the wood. Earthy tones like terracotta or warm neutrals work particularly well with oak. Consider using vibrant backsplash for a stunning focal point that contrasts beautifully with the oak cabinetry. This combination will make your kitchen truly unique. Lastly, let's talk about pairing oak with other wood elements in your kitchen. Mixing wood finishes can add depth and character to the space. When incorporating other wood accents such as flooring or countertops, consider selecting similar undertones to the oak. For instance, pairing oak cabinets with warm-toned woods like walnut or cherry can create a cohesive and luxurious look. Just be mindful of balancing the different wood finishes to create a harmonious visual flow. And there you have it, our tips and ideas for pairing paint, fabric, tiles, and other woods with oak to make a beautiful impact in your kitchen. Remember, it's all about finding colors and materials that complement the warmth and character of your oak cabinetry. Get creative, have fun, and watch your kitchen transform into a space that truly reflects your personal style. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye-bye. Bye.